Okay, so what's up, guys? Welcome to this very video. From my what's it called? From my title, you guys saw what I wrote there. Okay, so this particular website helps rewards you for performing specific tasks. Okay, so you carry out surveys, you shop, you watch videos, you play games, you shop, you search, refer friends. They pay you a particular amount of money. Okay, and there is a link. Okay, there is a link in the comment section. Is a my referral link actually. If you want to join this website, please join there. Okay, use the link, or in the description. The first link you see in the description will be a link to join this website. Okay, and before let me just show you. Okay, like I have 6.868 dollars here, which is a small amount. Why? Because this site actually is time consuming. Okay, and you need a lot of time on your hands to be able to earn here. This is not gonna make you rich, but if you are looking for quick dollars, amount of money, okay, I think this website is for you. So what do you do on this website? What you do on this website is go to survey. Okay, like you go to offers. You go to offers, just perform daily tasks. Okay, like all of these offers right here is for you. Okay, like these ones are play and have fun online. You can play games and earn this particular amount if you actually follow the instructions and get to the end of the game. You get to earn this particular amount. Then these ones with higher amounts are offline. Okay, you need to deliver orders with Uber Eats and all of those things. Okay, like these ones that are just offlines. Okay, then but the ones majorly surveys, this is where you earn much more. This is where you earn much more. But the problem with this is that they don't have much surveys like almost every time. Like this one, you say no surveys available at these times. We'll check back regularly. Okay, so you need to be checking back more often on this survey tab to see surveys you have to take. Okay, surveys you have to take, and as you take the surveys, this progress bar will keep on moving till it gets to this point. Then you earn some dollars. Okay, then coupons. I've not actually tried this particular tax. Okay, see, watch this tutorial clip to your. Okay, just read the instructions and follow. It's just one of those taxes that when you complete, you get paid also. Then there is a games. Okay, this particular one is time consuming because I'll advise you do it on your phone. Okay, so they are the ones that you are required to install apps. Okay, install the app and allow access. Okay, after playing it, if you get to the end, like let me show you one of them. Okay, like if this one right now. Okay, this one you can actually play this online. You see once I complete this game, the progress will move. Okay, hold on, it's still loading up. I don't know, my network is a bit slow. Okay, but this is just one of them, playing games online. But out of every one of them, one of my favorite one is search and earn also. Okay, search and earn. This is where you get to search so many things on the web. Okay, here once you click the what you want to search, click on search and earn. Okay, you click on search and earn. Okay, then this will move. Okay, you keep on searching. Remember, you have a maximum amount of searches you have to make before you earn on this particular one. Okay, so then which other tax? Okay, these are just referral. This is for those that want to go into affiliates. Okay, so basically this is what this site is all about. And is it like what's the maximum payout? The maximum payout is one thing I love about this site. So because it takes time to earn, like it takes time to accumulate money over here. So if you look here, you must reach at least $15 to request cash. Okay, $15. So it's quite small amount. If you put in maybe a week here, you can earn up to this amount, okay, or more. Or you can even employ virtual assistants to help you carry out these taxes, okay, perform these taxes while you pay them, okay. So it's up to you. And they pay through PayPal and so many other avenues. They pay through PayPal. That's one of the best ways. Like, you can receive these amounts easily on PayPal, okay. Then I'm curious because before I started this video, I was skeptical. I've heard about these websites for long, and I've been, I've not been active. I just signed up and, did some tax and, banked some money, then left it there. So I remembered, okay, this can be very, very useful to people. So I dived into, what's it called? Research to see if this site is actually legit, to read people's review about this site, so I don't recommend a site that is fraudulent and all of those things, okay. And I got really nice reviews. I went to SiteJabber, okay. SiteJabber is a review site on the internet, so I see people actually leaving good reviews about this website, okay. The bad ones I see here is not about it being a scam. It's about the time it takes for you to earn money and withdraw, okay, which I actually mentioned before the beginning of the video. All right, so I out of the reviews, as you can see, over 1,000 plus 5-star reviews, 4 stars. And if you go through the reviews, you see that verified purchases, you see that the reviews they left for this website, this person actually attached a picture of the payments he got from them, okay. So not bad, just that I have to warn you, it takes a lot of time to earn money here, okay. But if you have a lot of time on your hands, then you can go over to Inboxdollars and try your hands on this website. I think I've done enough justice to this topic, and if you want to see more of these videos like this, okay, I would like you to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. So this is Tony signing out for now. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.